Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use your PS5 controller with Xbox Game Pass games on your Windows PC. If you want to use a wired connection, connect your DualSense controller to your computer with a USB-C cable. Windows should detect the controller automatically and install the required drivers within a few seconds. Once it is ready, your controller can be used by supported games. If you prefer a wireless connection, press and hold the PS button and the Create button at the same time until the light bar starts flashing. On your PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and then click Wireless Controller from the list. Wait for the pairing process to finish before continuing. If your Xbox Game Pass game does not respond to the PS5 controller, you can use DS4 Windows. Download the latest version of DS4 Windows. Extract the downloaded zip file, and then run DS4 Windows. If this is your first time using the program, follow the on-screen instructions to install the required drivers. This allows Windows to make the PS5 controller work like an Xbox controller, which improves compatibility with many Game Pass titles. After the setup is complete, keep DS4 Windows running in the background. Open the Xbox app, launch your Game Pass game, and your controller should work normally. Thanks for watching.